Hello, in this video we are going to solve this problem and find the value of k that will satisfy this equation. Here we have 3k to the power of k and this equals 3 to the power of k plus 10. So what we are going to do is we can simply recopy the problem. We have 3k to the power of k and this equals, here we can apply this identity. If you have a power n plus m, this equals a power n times a power m. So let's go ahead and apply this identity right here. That means we are going to have 3 to the power of k times 3 to the power of 10. Now the next thing we are going to do is we can decide to divide each part of this equation by 3 to the power of k. So by doing that, this 3 to the power of k will eliminate this and we are going to be left with 3k to the power of k divided by 3 to the power of k and this equals 3 to the power of 10. Now the next thing we are going to do is we need to actually eliminate this 3 here, so we can decide to multiply the both part of this equation by 1 divided by 3. That means you also need to do the same here. We multiply it by 1 divided by 3. So by doing that, this 3 here will multiply the denominator here. We are going to have 3k to the power of k divided by 3 times 3 to the power of k, and this equals the 3 to the power of 10 will multiply this 1 here. We are going to have 3 power 10 divided by 3. So we proceed. Now we can simply eliminate this 3 and we are going to be left with k to the power of k divided by 3 to the power of k, and this equals, here we need to apply this identity. If you have a power n divided by a power m, this equals a power n minus m. So we are going to have 3 power 10 minus 1 because this is actually raised to the power of 1. So we proceed. That means we are going to have k power k divided by 3 power k and this equals 3 to the power of 9. Now this and this are the same, so we can combine them. We can have k divided by 3 all to the power of k and this equals 3 to the power of 9. Now at this point, what we need to do is we can decide to multiply this exponent here by 1 divided by 3, and we also need to do the same thing here, multiply by 1 divided by 3. So that means we are going to have k divided by 3 to the power of k divided by 3. Because if you multiply k by 1, you are going to have k, and you have this 3 here. And this equals, we are going to have 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3. So we proceed. That means we are simply going to have k divided by 3 to the power of k divided by 3. And this equals, here we are going to have 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3 is 3. So at this point, you notice what we have at the base is the same as what we have at the exponent. And what we have at the base here is the same as what we have at the exponent. So if you have something like a power a, this equals b power b. That means we can have a equals b. So going by that, that means we are going to have k divided by 3 equals 3 and this divided by 1. So in order to solve for the value of this k, we can decide to cross multiply. We are going to have 3 times 3, that is 9, equals k. So therefore our k equals 9. Now after solving this, the next thing we are going to do is to check if this solution here truly satisfies the equation. Remember, we had 3 times k to the power of k equals 3 to the power of k plus 10. And our k is 9. So that means we have 3 times 9 to the power of 9 should give us 3 to the power of 9 plus 10. So that means we need to manipulate these to give us what we have here. So we can have 3 times this 9 here, we can have it in terms of 3 to the power of 2 or to the power of 9, and this should give us 3 to the power of 19. So what we need to do is we can multiply these two exponents. We have 3 into 3 to the power of, now 2 times 9 we can have 18. So that means this should give us 3 to the power of 19. That means we can eliminate this bracket here by bringing in multiplication. We have this as 3 times 3 to the power of 18, and this gives us 3 to the power of 19. Meanwhile, this 3 is to the power of 1. Now, remember this identity. If you have a power n times a power m, this equals a power n plus m. So if we apply this identity right here, that means we are going to have 3 to the power of 1 plus 18, and this equals 3 power 19. And indeed, we have 3 to the power of 1 plus 18 is 19, which equals 3 to the power of 19. And what we have at the left hand side equals what we have at the right hand side. So that means the solution we had, which is k equals 9, absolutely satisfies the condition. So that is our answer for k. So that is it for the video. I believe you enjoyed the class. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your colleagues and friends, and drop a comment in the comment box. Thank you and goodbye.